comes home. Looks solid. Just need to clear this last bit. All right, safety first. Mask, goggles, ears in. Guard good. This is tight. This is it. Reinforcement point 3. Double check clearance. Ensure we have 60 inches of headroom. Back into the clearance for the stairs. Mark the lines. Snap it. Now outline the footprint. Measure twice, screw once. I should hold it so you can hang it straight now. Perfect, one more grab. Thanks, good. All right, fuses are here. Lights, pump, heater. Looks accurate to the diagram. Look like that shit. Checking voltage. Breaker function verified. Wiring is clean and labeled. System is good. The slope looks perfect. Let's get these clamps tight to secure it. Okay, lights on. Not bad. Let's zoom a bit. Perfect. All right, hot and cold supply lines routed. Drainage is sloped correctly. Let's make sure these clamps hold. Verified. Now to mark the date. All right, test run initiated. Let's see if we get some heat here. Yes, warm air coming through. Little adjustment. All right, looking good. No leaks here. Looks solid. Still melt filtered water. Proof the system is safe and real. Let's head out. All right, pouring in the first test. And absorbing into the ground. Confirmed. All right, now for the gaskets tape. Precise alignment. And the final tightening. Almost there. Just a final check on these seams. Perfect. Looks great. Fully sealed. All right, test the bedtime ambiance. Perfect. Soft shadows and warm light. Ready for the night. Labeling the main switch. Now checking the voltage here. Looks like a solid 12.8 volts. Safe and operational. Flowing drainage confirmed. System good. One at last. 42.5 volts. Confirmed. MPPT pulling 12 amps. Stable.